Okay guys, this is the tense. Are you facing problem using this tense? Are you facing problem to identify which situation does this tense hold? I'll give you an example. And I think that this example relates to you. So this is a sentence. So I am pretty much sure that this is what is with you also. Like, I have been dreaming of going to Canada since my childhood. This kind of sentences, this kind of situation, many a times we have used in our routine, even in our daily routine, isn't it? इसके मैं अगर उदाहरण आपको दूँ तो सपोज़ आप मूवी की टिकट खरीदने जाते हो या आप खाना खाने जाते हो और उसमें आपको वेटिंग की लाइन में खड़े रहना पड़ता है और उसमें अगर मैं आपको कॉल करूँ दैट हेलो, आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो, तो आप कहोगे कि हम वेट कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर वेटिंग, दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. अभी हम वेट कर रहे हैं. फिर मैं पूछूँ अच्छा कब से वेट कर रहे हो, सो देन योर आंसर वुड बी हम आधे घंटे से वेट कर रहे हैं. सो ये सिचुएशन, this is the situation that is supported by present perfect continuous tense. जब कोई situation शुरू पास्ट से होती है, तब से चलती है और अभी भी चल रही है, that is what is present perfect continuous tense. So here the activity or the sense of dreaming has been continued since my childhood. So that is the reason this is the present perfect continuous tense. इसको और आसानी से समझने का एक और तरीका है. Let me show you. After which I am very much sure कि आप लोग ये टेंस को यूज करने में गलती कभी नहीं करेंगे. जब कोई भी एक्टिविटी शुरू पास्ट में होती है और तब से मतलब आप आधे घंटे पहले उस रेस्टोरेंट पे गए थे. मान लो कि आप इवनिंग में 7:30 को you went there and you came to know that oh I have to wait. So your waiting started at 7:30 and अभी बजा है सपोज से 8 o'clock. So 7:30 से 8 आप कंटिन्यूसली वेटिंग आपका चल रहा है. द एक्टिविटी ऑफ वेटिंग 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 एंड वेटिंग हैज बीन कंटिन्यूड फ्रॉम 7:30 and it is still going on at 8 o'clock when I give you a call, right? So this is the situation that is supported by present perfect continuous tense. Now let's see how each form of noun will have this kind of tense. So let us see how this would look when we are using with these kind of pronouns. I'll say I have been laughing. We have been laughing. You have been laughing. He has, yes, correct, been laughing. Again the same with she. And with it we have has again. And with they again we'll have and not has. get these changes while you are using this tense? Now here I have a question to ask. To reflect the perfect, we have or has. To reflect the continuous, we have ing. So what is this been doing in the game? What is the purpose of this been? Do you have any idea? Can you give me a guess, a wild guess? So what if I remove this? So it will be I have laughing. So will it suit? Will it fall correct? Or if we need been, so why do we need been? What is the role of that been over there? Now, if you remember, in present perfect tense, we always have the third form of verb after we use have or has. So here again, we do have and has. So whenever you are having a have or a has, the verb behind them always will follow the third form. So what is the third form of be? It is, say, if I say be, so what are the pet names of be? Am, is and are. And what is the past tense of be? It is was and were, and third form is been. So here we'll have the third form of be, that is been. So now it will look like I have been laughing. This is the purpose of being in the tense. Let us see few of its negative and question forms. So I have tried to convert this sentence into a question and a negation. Now how have I done this? So the sentence, the boy has been writing an essay from an hour. I have taken has as my support to convert this sentence into question. So the sentence becomes, has the boy been writing an essay from an hour? Now this is a question. What about negative? The same can be done by adding not to it. So the sentence becomes, the boy has not been writing an essay from an hour. So this is the simple way of converting this sentence into question and negative. So whenever you are willing to say something that you have been doing since past, some part of past, and still you are continuing to do it, this is the tense that you are supposed to use. Many a times this tense can prove to be helpful for you if you are writing the writing task 1, that is report writing of IELTS, if the years are representing present and future. Or when you are answering the speaking questions, there you may find a situation or a scenario that fits perfectly into this tense, or you might require this tense to convey the idea. So friends, whenever you are checking your speaking audios or writing answers, pay attention to what situation you are using. If you are using this situation, like something that you have started in past, it was going on and it is still continuing, then don't forget to pick this tense as your answer.